Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. You see, in this video, I'm about to teach you something very important that you need to learn as a trader because it's really affecting a lot of traders in the industry, especially beginners. All right, and the topic says how to become a consistent and profitable trader. Now, you might likely ask, so what's this all about? Like, how can I actually even become a consistent and profitable trader? I'm going to draw every single thing to two phrases. One, practice, and two, be consistent. Practice and be consistent in your practicing. All right, I'm going to show you a few examples of the things I do and how I uh, put myself in order to keep learning every single day and keep winning. All right. Now, is that something you really want to learn? Do you really want to learn how to become a good trader, consistent one, and always profitable? If that's what you really want to learn, then you are actually in the right channel. Why not hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss out a single thing that I post in this channel. All right, because what I do in this channel is to give you guys content that help you win in the financial market. Okay. So as you can see, this is USD card, and I've actually been on this trade for the past 5 to 6 hours. Okay, because I actually took this trade when it was on this other candlestick. All right, and now it's currently on a new candlestick, which is remaining about 3 hours for it to close. Okay, so and as you can see something, you'll get to notice that this market is already at my take profit 50 pips already. As you can see, there's about 50 pips, and I'm still holding on, expecting it to get to 73 pips. You can see on my phone, which is on the screen right now. All right, so apart from that, that's a trade setup that I took today on USD card. Okay, now but I want you to observe something. If you go to GBP USD, all right, you would notice that I also have a setup on GBP USD. All right, I have a setup on GBP USD already, and as you can see, price indeed is also in profit going what to my final take profit, which is here. All right, here's likely going to be my final take profit according to my calculation, and there's about 98 pips in total. Currently, price is at 61 pips in profit. Okay, but now I would like to inform you that this particular trade GBP USD, all right, I am not on this trade. Just take note of some things I'm about to explain to you and teach you something. GBP USD is indeed in profit according to what my analysis and setup, and when price got to where I wanted to buy from, I placed this long position here. Okay, now you get to observe that after I placed the long position here, price indeed went against me for a while. All right, it indeed went against me for a while, almost hitting my stop loss 30 pips. All right, and after almost hitting it, it began to go in my favor. Now going to Euro GBP. All right, Euro GBP also, according to my analysis, in my previous video I talked to you guys about this indicator, the breakout indicator, which gave a good setup here. All right, so I didn't take that trade also because I wasn't online to meet my setup, but it was part of the analysis. After making my analysis, it was part of my analysis that I needed to place a trade here. Okay, and indeed, as according to my analysis, and together with the help of the indicator, even without the indicator, actually traders, I need to understand that even without the indicator, that's actually still my setup, because that's how I make my analysis. All right, I map out my zones, and once I map out my zones, I place my entries. All right, you guys already know how I trade and bring out my levels. Okay, so but I also didn't take that trade. All right, but you can see that I'm still observing it. I'm still anticipating for it to get to my final TP, which is about 52 pips. All right, my analysis is in place. Heading to USD CHF. USD CHF, all right, also the same thing happened. I placed the long position, all right, anticipating to go to the upside. Indeed, it went to the upside for about let's say about 35 pips before it began to send back down, now currently in loss. All right, yeah, but I'm trying to show you guys something. Just relax, focus on what I'm about to teach you. USD card doing the same thing. All right, USD card, that's the one I'm currently in trade right now, which you can see on the screen. All right, USD card. Now Euro USD, according to my analysis, I actually anticipated that it should sell to the downside, but unfortunately, what happened? It's gone to the upside and probably hit my stop loss 30 pips. Now, what am I actually doing here? Even as a trader who already knows how to trade the market, I'm still practicing on daily basis. All right, I make my analysis on different charts. All right, I can make my all my analysis on different charts. If possible, maybe one of my analysis out of the 5 pairs that I usually trade, which is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if one of my analysis out of the entire 5 trades is met up, if the setup is met, I place a trade on my MT5 live trade. Okay, now I can decide within myself that okay, I don't want to place another trade. This one is enough for me. That is in the sense that I'm already on the trade and probably is going in profit and I don't want to lose anything. So therefore, what I have in place already, let me go with it. Then, but that does not mean that every other analysis I've made, I just leave it. No, I still make sure that I go back to them, checking them out. When price is almost at the zone where I want to enter from, I bring out this long and short position to place the trade exactly where I wanted to place it, even if I was on a live trade. What I'm actually doing is I'm practicing. Trader, you need to learn to practice. A whole lot of traders out there, they don't even practice. They just want to come into the chart anytime, and if the C market is going bullish, they want to place a buy. If the C market is going bearish, they want to place a sell, which is not the right thing to do. Which is not the right thing to do. As a trader, you must learn always to practice. As a trader, you must learn always to practice, because practice is what makes you perfect. All right, so that is how I uh that is how I teach myself every single day in order to learn. So trader, here is the real catch. For you to be a profitable trader, you must learn to always visit your charts at least 4 times in a week or every day. If you trade the volatility index, Saturdays, Sundays, feel free to get into the chart. Even if you're not placing a trade, practice something. Analyze the market, point out your point of entries, check out if then later come out and check if price went according to your setup. This is how you practice. It is one thing for you to learn how to analyze the market. It is one thing for you to learn how to analyze the market, point out your uh, map out your point of entries where you intend to buy or sell from. All right, it is another thing then for you to place a real trade. If you can learn how to analyze your market, map out your point of entries, and see price going exactly as you predicted, trader, you're already halfway on the goal. Then the next thing you want to learn is probably how to enter the trade, how to manage your risk, how to stay strong on the trade. Like for instance, you can see that the GBP card, the USD card that I'm currently on, I've been holding it for about 5 to 6 hours. You need to also learn those things, how to do what, stay strong on the trade. You need to learn it, trader. It's important. You need to learn it. How to stay strong on a trade is very, very, very important. You need to learn it also. So these are the ways you practice. Actually, this is not even 5 hours. This is 4 hour count. Okay, yeah. So you need to learn it, trader. So let me know what challenges are you facing in your trading career. Leave it on the comment section. Let's talk about it. All right, I would love to make a video concerning the things that a lot of you will talk about, so that I can also direct you and teach you even much better. All right, so let me know what kind of challenge are you facing in your trading career, and let's talk about it even on the comment section. For the meantime, traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.